আরজিকর ইস্যুতে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মমতা সরকারের
Bullets will be
শুভেন্দু
fired.
আতঙ্ক।
Bullets will be fired is what he said. Subhendu has said bullets will be fired. The opposition statement.
Go into it. Nobody should speak.
Bullets will be fired. Bullets will be fired is what he said.
What we would all say.
আর তাই মঙ্গলবার নবান্ন অভিযান নিয়ে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে কপিল সিবাল। বিস্তারিত দেখুন। আরজি করে চিকিৎসক পড়ুয়ার ধর্ষণ ও হত্যাকাণ্ডের ঘটনায় কলকাতা কতটা ফুঁসে উঠতে পারে তা 14 তারিখে রাতে দেখেছিল গোটা বিশ্ব। 27 আগস্ট ওই একই ঘটনার প্রতিবাদে ফের নবান্ন চলোর ডাক দিয়েছে ছাত্র সমাজ। কোনো রাজনৈতিক দল স্পষ্টভাবে এই ঘোষণা করেনি, যা থেকে মনে করা হচ্ছে স্বতঃস্ফূর্তভাবে মানুষের যোগদানকে সুনিশ্চিত করতেই এই কৌশল নেওয়া হয়েছে। এহেন পরিস্থিতিতে সরকারের উদ্বেগ কোন স্তরে পৌঁছতে পারে তা স্পষ্ট হয়ে গেল বৃহস্পতিবার। মঙ্গলবার নবান্ন চলো কর্মসূচির ব্যাপারে সুপ্রিম কোর্টের কাছে সুরাহা চাইলেন রাজ্য সরকারের আইনজীবী কপিল সিবাল। এদিন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে শুনানির সময় বিচারপতিদের উদ্দেশ্যে কপিল বলেন, এই ব্যাপারটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। 27 তারিখ একটা প্রতিবাদ মিছিল রয়েছে। যদিও কোনো প্রতিবাদ মিছিল হয় তাহলে রাজ্য সরকারকে যেন বলা হয় কোন রুটে ওই মিছিল হবে, একটা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড অপারেটিং প্রসিডিউর থাকতে হবে। কপিল সিবাল আরো বলেন, ওরা পতাকা নিয়ে যায়, কিন্তু পতাকা খুলে নিলেই তো সেটা লাঠি হয়ে গেল। আমাদের কাছে ছবি আছে, তাই আদালতের কাছে আর্জিতে রাজ্য সরকারের কাছে পেশ করা স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট দেখা হোক এবং একটা নির্দেশ দিয়ে বলা হোক যেন এসপিও অনুসরণ করতে পারে। ঘটনা হলো 27 তারিখ যে নবান্ন অভিযানের ডাক দেওয়া হয়েছে তাতে কোনো রুট বলা হয়নি, অর্থাৎ শহরের বিভিন্ন প্রান্ত থেকে মিছিল আসতে পারে। পুলিশ ও প্রশাসনের উদ্বেগ সেটাই। 27 তারিখের মিছিল নিয়ে তেমন উদ্বেগ রয়েছে রাজ্য সরকার। একে তো সুপ্রিম কোর্টে গত শুনানির দিনই স্পষ্ট জানিয়ে দিয়েছে শান্তিপূর্ণ প্রতিবাদ রাষ্ট্র তার ক্ষমতা প্রয়োগ করতে পারবে না, অর্থাৎ কোনো প্রতিবাদে মিছিল শান্তিপূর্ণ হলে তা জোর করে আটকাতে পারবে না। কিন্তু পুলিশের উদ্বেগ শান্তিপূর্ণ মিছিল বলে যা শুরু হবে কোনো একটা উস্কানিতে তা অশান্ত হয়ে উঠতে পারে। সেই কারণে এদিন কপিল সিবাল পারিপার্শ্বিক ক্ষতির কথা বলেছেন। এদিন কপিল সিবাল ঠিক কি বলেছেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে দেখুন।
The CISF has been deployed at
Yes.
the general states that in compliance with the orders of this court, the CISF has been deployed at RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital so as to ensure the safety of
Just one small submission.
all other medical professionals.
My lords had said in the morning an additional line, my lords, with regard to protecting our doctors from backlash. They will, of course, rejoin. But my lords, and they have never suspended emergency services. But my lords, there is a concern, already a backlash.
Yes, Nandi, there's no question of only doing emergency services. In a place like, say, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, people take appointments 2 years in advance. If doctors are not available on duty for a day, that means that person loses a slot which was booked 2 years in advance.
Absolutely, my lords. And during lunch, we spoke to our doctors, and this is what has been said, and this is what has absolutely been agreed to. My lords, just the backlash, though, there is the health department and the medical council, we are being told that the action is being taken against our doctors. These are under control of the West Bengal government who are protesting, the protesting doctors. In addition, private and public
Look, what you do
harassment is happening from the
effective
police.
Next week,
Yes, my lords.
once the doctors get back to work,
Yes.
please come back to us and tell us.
Lordships, may I just point out?
Stop. We are expecting compliance with the assurance which is now given to the court that the doctors would join normal duties. Full stop. In the meantime, if any adverse action has been taken against any protesting doctor or protests which have been carried out prior to the date of disorder, no coercive steps shall be taken on the basis of any action.
Lordships,
There is an order of a college in Ujjain where my learned
But
friend
nothing hereafter, because now after
Not-
this order, everybody must be happy.
yes, my
Red doctors have been told
For contempt.
not even to go on a token strike. My learned friend wanted.
I just
to-
received a.
I'll tell you one thing. Get back to work now. If any doctor is proceeded against with or a protest which took place in the past, we have already said no coercive action will be taken.
This is for the future, actually. We are saying that
Right.
you cannot go for the token
But
protest.
but future now you must come back to duty.
The problem is that
Can we say judges that will stand outside the Supreme Court? No,
Yes,
because
we seek permission from the
justice and medicine can't go on strike. Everybody has to come back.
To the proper measure, it should be done. And
Dada,
that's for the contempt.
First, establish before us next time that everybody has come back to work. Once we are satisfied that everybody has come back to work, please rest assured we'll make sure that no adverse action is taken.
What happened? Well, so the other thing is, your lordships have taken now the status report on record and a separate affidavit on record. Now, Malas, the only thing is, and this is a request from everybody, that Malas, normalcy should try and be, Malas, the people should not take advantage of the situation. Normalcy should return, Malas, and we are investigating in their hands now. Responsible is in their hands now, the investigation.
Vandalism is stopped,
These
everything will
kind
be
of
normal.
statements,
And therefore, we have requested the doctors to come back to work.
yes. No statements, Malas, that are being made of the
going
nature.
on. The investigation is going on. We are assessing the status reports which are being filed in the course of the investigation. I think now, for the family, there's no question of normalcy because the family is deeply affected.
Correct.
But insofar as the community is concerned, including the community of doctors, we have to return back to our
Absolutely. And the statements and the,
Just
the
one
statements
sentence.
made of the nature that we have placed before you.
Appear for the
Only a
doctors
minute,
association of
let this thought. We are not against, and nobody should make any statement.
That's correct.
We have a statement of a sitting minister of the state of West Bengal saying that, no, not all, there's something very serious. That if anybody talks anything against our leader, his fingers will be chopped off.
Well, then I will read the leader of the opposition statement.
Go into it. Nobody should speak.
Bullets will be fired. Bullets will be fired is what he said.
What we would also expect, please don't politicize. these
Exactly.
things.
So Bindu has said bullets will be fired.
This, Malad,
Across
therefore I
the political spectrum,
Yes.
parties have to realize, don't politicize.
That's
Exactly, Malad, exactly.
The
Mr.
law
Simple
will take its
started by
course.
saying,
Yes.
The law will take its course, and we are ensuring that the law does take its course after a quick and efficient
Deeply
investigation.
obliged. Deeply obliged.
Second, we are also concerned about the welfare and safety of doctors for the future. We want to institutionalize this.
That's right.
yes,
We are not just going to lay down guidelines. We are going to pass an enforceable direction. That the recommendations of the task force will be implemented by the state governments under the